This video is about how to easily create a mock-up, a t-shirt mock-up or hoodie mock-up in Pixellab. You need to first of all open Pixellab for you to create the design you want to use on your t-shirt or hoodie. So now that you've opened Pixellab, this is what you are going to have. This is what you're going to have. Now, edit the first text by clicking this A for representing alphabet. You click on edit and then you bring your first letter. I'm using G, game changer. I want to write game changer. So let me bring in my font. Click on font to change the font. So you need to select a font. Click on my font. The font must be in your Pixellab first. So I will provide the link to download it in the description box. So click on Snack Omail. I'm using Snack Omail for this. So enlarge it a bit. Copy it to retain the size and the font. Click on copy. Once you click copy, edit it. Click edit. Type your A. Click on OK. Bring it closer. Okay, let's make it like this. This one goes like this. So copy the A, edit it, make it M, and continue your editing like that. So M also, you can just blend it and make it balance well. Okay, A, M. So copy it again. So drag it here and edit, make it E. That's game already. Game now. Okay, so you have game already written. It remains changer. Let me blend this a bit by using the position option. Go to position option, blend it. Okay, now select one of the text, copy it, bring it here, edit, C, beginning changer. So be here, copy it, bring it here, edit it, H. Once you write H, you click on copy again. Once you copy it, edit it, A. Okay, bring the A here. Now it means NG and R. So let me make that place fast. So now we need to merge some to merge it together and make it into one. So I'm using this part. Click on this part. So once you click that part, you'll be able to select the text. Scroll up, select this part, this one. Once you select this, you can now tick the boxes GAME. So match that one first. Once you merge it, it becomes one. So that's it. The second one, click here again. Once you click it, you can now make it together. CHANGER. Click that part again, and then you click on OK. So now that you've merged it together, we need to create something to make it look better. Now it is by selecting the two parts, and then okay, let's select the two parts first and merge it together. So now that I've merged it together, you can copy it. This one you can change the color if you want, but let's leave it at white and make this one yellow. So after selecting the color, I will take it to the back and then go to stroke, enlarge the stroke, make the stroke also yellow. Okay, so you need to align both. So now I'll give the second one, which is at the back, another stroke. Okay, let's change the color for this one first to make it appear better. Let me select something close to green. Now I'll make the last one, the second one at the back. I'll give it another stroke after merging it. Merge the two together, then give it another stroke, stroke, stroke. Okay, let's give it that green stroke and enlarge it a bit. So this is what you're going to have at the end of the day. Now we are going to put it on the shirt or hoodie that we want to use. So now I need to select the background as transparent. Don't forget this. Make sure it is transparent before you save. So let's save it again. Save as image, ultra, save to gallery. So next thing is to open your PicsArt app. Open PicsArt. Once you open PicsArt, it will load, and then you select the mockup you want to use. Let's see all, and then pick the mockup I want to use. Let me use this. I'm using this one. Then you scroll the lower part to add your design. So click on add photo. Once you click on add photo, you can now pick the text you've created, the design. So click on add at the top here. It will come up on this, and then you blend it with the shirt by scrolling the lower part. Click on blend, click on multiply or darken. Multiply. Okay, now you can still adjust your mockup by clicking on adjust, reduce the brightness a bit, and that's all. So you tick it at the top here. After ticking the box, then you click on download this one. Tick and click.